If you are following our best practice series, you might already know about the Coneksion RAPIDS Track&Trace connectivity, a service that enables shippers, logistics service providers, and other NVOCCs to access track and trace data from all major ocean carriers in near real time. In this video, we'll explore how you can start leveraging the service through a single API integration point, or, as we call it, Coneksion Track&Trace API. In brief, Coneksion's Track&Trace API allows users to streamline their logistics operations by receiving up-to-date shipment or container data based on a certain booking or container number directly to their systems. With just one integration, our API handles all the data flows behind the scenes, eliminating the need for multiple connections with various carriers. To get started with our API, you'll need an active API subscription. You can request this by contacting us through the Contact Us button on the Track&Trace product page, or by signing up directly via our developer portal, link to which you can find also on our website. Once we receive your request, we'll generate a subscription key for you, and you'll receive it along with further instructions through a secure mechanism to begin using the API. While waiting for approval, we encourage you to explore our APIs and start configuring your API client software so you're ready to communicate with our system once the key is in place. You can find all the necessary information by visiting the Coneksion API portal. But for now, let's get back to the API demo. While we offer several APIs, in this video, we'll focus specifically on the Track&Trace one. So the process will look like the following. Once you've received your subscription key, you can log in to the developer portal and follow the instructions received to start testing. There are two main ways to use the Track&Trace API: via query available under the Find Event button, or via subscription. The difference is that while in case of queries, you can send requests to retrieve data from a specific carrier based on a container or booking number. The subscription method allows you to create a subscription to receive real-time updates from carriers on bookings or containers you want to track as soon as new information is available, meaning that the data will be pushed to your system via a webhook automatically. To use either method, you'll need to know the carrier's name and the booking or container number. In both cases, the data is delivered in the standardized DCSA 2.2.0 format, ensuring consistency and compatibility. Now, let's walk through an example of fetching Track&Trace data from Hapag-Lloyd for a specific booking number. After submitting the reference number, the system queries our API. The API either contacts Hapag-Lloyd's interface for live data or retrieves relevant information from our internal storage if we already have the event data on hand. In either scenario, the data is returned to you in the DCSA 2.2.0 format. On the screen, you can see an example of a webhook receiving Track&Trace data from Hapag-Lloyd for a booking. This dataset provides all key milestones, whether they are actual, estimated, or planned events. The data is structured in JSON format, following DCSA specifications as previously mentioned, and lists all the relevant events for that booking. This is exactly what you, as our client, would receive in your system. Today, we've demonstrated the power of Coneksion Track&Trace API and how easy it is to integrate and start receiving the critical data that drives your business forward. If you're interested in learning more about Coneksion or our solutions, feel free to reach out to us at talktous@coneksion.com. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our blog or follow us on LinkedIn as we explore innovative solutions that streamline logistics operations and enhance business efficiency.